Hello, I'm Randy Taylor. Thank you very much for joining me today out here in the woods. What I wanted to talk to you about today and share some thoughts about is that process to be able to identify living a life of passion, identifying the goals that we want to achieve, and then setting about the process to, do the work necessary to achieve it. Most of the groups and conferences that I speak to and individuals I speak to, when you go through this process and say to achieve a goal, you set the goal, find out what's necessary to achieve it, begin to invest in the activity, and if you don't stop, right, then pretty much everything is possible. But by the millions, people don't seem to achieve their goals. And I think one of the great challenges that happens to you and I and everyone is that we end up getting partway down that path, and then we hit challenges and we end up stopping. And what is necessary truly in this is, I think, found in the definition of commitment, a quote that I wrote a number of years ago about this, about what is commitment itself. And here it is. Commitment is the continuation of an activity in the apparent absence of results, right? Isn't that the true definition of what is necessary in order to achieve the goals that we set out to achieve in life? So do that then. Make that commitment to not know when your goal is going to show up. Again, commitment is the continuation of an activity in the apparent absence of results. And here's one thing I know, and one thing I can promise you, is that if you don't stop, you continue on with your commitment, the goal eventually, it does every time, it will show up. For perspectives and thoughts out here in the woods, what an amazing day. I'm Randy Taylor. Thanks for joining me. You have an incredible day too, and be well.